Toilet girl, yeah. The toilet girl.
Toilet girl.
So dia bukan pencuci tandas lah.
Yeah.
So the toilet girl, dia ada datang sekejap, borak-borak, and then cicil. And then before kawan I macam sesak nafas tu, kita tak tahu dia kat mana. Lepas tu cakap kawan, pergilah cari. Diorang pun macam cari, ada kot kat sana. So orang datang check, diorang datang balik, tak ada lah, mana lah toilet girl ni. And then kita tak apalah. And then when I saw my friend wasn't really okay, I cakap dia dah, jom lah pergi bilik. So I bawa dia, I pergi naik tangga whatsoever, lalu tempat karaoke tu. And then I letak dia dalam bilik, I suruh dia tidur, I baca ayat kursi. Sebab I rasa tak sedap hati sikit time tu. So I pun dudukkan dia, I baringkan dia, I cakap, babe, tidur lah. Dia pun macam tidur mati. I pun dah selimutkan dia. I tutup the door. Bilik tu nama Mawar kot. Sekarang baru ingat Mawar dah kan. Then I tutup, I baca ayat kursi lagi sekali. And then bila I keluar daripada situ, dekat tempat karaoke tu, I macam okey lagi, tapi I rasa macam naik bulu tail tau. I rasa macam naik bulu roma I lah. So bila kat luar tu, tiba-tiba je ada seorang ni cakap, Ali is crying. Dia cakap someone is crying like that lah. Lepas macam, siapa pula dah nangis ni? I macam dah rasa kan benda tu. I thought it was a guy, but actually it was the toilet girl. So bila I dah dengar tu kan, sebab kat sebelah sana tu ada macam hutan sikit kan, macam something is not right. So what I did is I tell the chef, boleh tak bawa budak-budak masuk bilik. I terus cakap, I kata bawa budak-budak masuk bilik, suruh diorang tidur, tutup karaoke ni, cakap dia. So that time I pun pergi sana. I dengar, I pergi dekat group of members yang dekat meja sini. I cakap dengan diorang, someone is crying. Diorang pula macam, diorang ingat I main-main. Sebab diorang tengok I lari kan, diorang macam gelak-gelak dah. Macam, because I think like because they were not mentally okay lah that time. I mean like they was under drugs or something ke. Tapi I don't know.
Mati biasa lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then pergilah. And then pergi, it's actually that toilet girl was hugging the pokok pisang.
Kat mana ni?
Dekat luar. Ya, kat luar. So actually before that, there's a people yang duduk kat sini nampak dia berjalan dengan slow macam ni. So she was leading to the pokok tu. Lepas tu diorang try tarik that girl from that tree. She was like crying. I think orang yang tarik diorang dalam 8-9 orang. They couldn't pull her. They couldn't pull her. I tak pergi tengok sangat, tapi I macam I just baca-baca je lah time tu. I macam it is real, something happening. So this one guy pun baca-baca, and then diorang baca-baca. Lepas tu it's like she was sound so different and very loud. It was like nak baca apa. Sekarang semua nak jadi ustaz gitu. Lepas tu macam
in a different voice.
Suara lain. Suara lain.
Lepas tu I pun macam lepas tu I remember kan pakcik tu cakap, lepas buka pagar kena tutup kan. So I cakap kau, I panggil kawan I, weh, jom kita cari pakcik yang cakap kat aku tu, ataupun kita panggil ustaz. I literally was far away from her, tapi dia cakap, tak payah panggil ustaz. Kau nak panggil ustaz buat apa? I was so far. Macam mana aku boleh dengar? Macam everyone was like reading macam and then seorang tu pun tak, macam baca kat dia pun sampai mata dia pun dah tengok ke atas whatsoever. And then baca. Suddenly diorang tarik tu sampai dapat lah. I don't remember what happened that time. Suddenly dia dah ke bawah. Bila diorang baca, at the same time ada wak tu kan duduk rumah tu kan. So time tu I macam fikir, kenapa wak ni duduk rumah ni? Something is wrong with the house. Time tu ada fikir. Lepas tu at the same time the thing was happening, that wak tanya, dia dari bilik mana? Dia cakap macam tu. Lepas tu cakap, mana lah ingat. Sebab macam tengah panik kan. Macam I fikir, kenapa penting sangat dengan bilik tu kan. Lepas tu I cakap, ke sini memang ada apa-apa? Tanya dia kata, ini dari luar ni. Dia cakap macam tu. So during that time yang I cakap with my friend yang kena panggil ustaz ni kan, sebab that what is not helping us to call the ustaz. So bila I lari, I terus patah balik. Tau. Macam I couldn't go out from there to find any ustaz, because the ghost pun macam marah, and dia kata dia macam marah-marah lah, macam tempat ni, tanah ini milik Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. She was like saying like, I don't remember at that time, and I believe that that's a hantu Islam lah. So after that, kita orang dah baca-baca apa semua, dia orang baca that girl is muntah. Dia muntah, dia keluar daun and macam warna paya, because that place macam ada warna putih tau, macam tiles lah. So dia muntah, memang muntah yang takkanlah kita orang bagi dia makan daun kot. Tadi aku bagi makan kek tadi kan,
muntah yang tak biasa punya muntah.
I was thinking like, is she like eating the daun pisang while hugging the trees kan. But memang apparently dia memang muntah. I nampak, I macam, ush, this is real.